In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out Steam account from another device. If you've ever signed in on a shared computer, misplaced a device, or just want a clean slate for security, this walkthrough will show you how to remotely sign out of other sessions using Steam's built-in tools. We'll do everything from the Steam desktop app, and the process is quick, clear, and safe. First, look to the very top left corner of the Steam window. Click the Steam menu. This is the main hub for your account and application options, and it's where most important settings live. If your window is small, you may need to maximize it to clearly see the menu bar. Next, click Settings. This opens a dedicated window for configuring your account and app preferences. Think of settings as your control center. Everything from downloads to privacy and security is managed here. It may open to a different section by default, but we're heading to the security area next. Inside the settings window, click Security. You'll find it in the sidebar. This section covers how your account is protected and which devices are recognized. If you're ever concerned about unauthorized access or want to tighten things up, this is the place to be. Now, click Manage Steam Guard. Steam Guard is Valve's security layer that helps protect your account with device recognition and secondary verification. Managing Steam Guard gives you direct access to tools that control where your account is signed in and how it can be accessed in the future. It's essentially your dashboard for session safety. Finally, click Deauthorize Devices. This action signs your account out of other devices while keeping you signed in on the one you're currently using. It's a powerful way to instantly remove access from old PCs, borrowed laptops, or any device you don't fully trust anymore. After deauthorization, anyone trying to use your account elsewhere will need to log in again and pass Steam Guard verification. This does not delete your authenticator or change your password. It simply ends those other sessions so you're in control of where your account stays active. And that's it. By using the Steam menu, opening Settings, going to Security, selecting Manage Steam Guard, and choosing Deauthorize Devices, you've effectively logged your Steam account out from other devices. It's a smart habit after using public or shared machines, and it offers peace of mind if you're ever unsure where you left a session open. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you secure your Steam account quickly and confidently.